Today, we will use A4 paper to fold this paper airplane. First, make a half fold. Open it up and then take this corner and fold this edge to the center crease. You can leave a small gap here. Fold the other side. And then take the triangle and fold down to the point about 2.5 centimeters from the bottom edge. Take the corner and fold the edge to the center crease. We can also leave a small gap here. And fold the other side. Open them up and then take the corner, fold the edge to the crease we just made. You can also leave a small gap here and fold the other side. We should get it like this, and then take the top point and fold it like this. Open up, we can see a crease here, and then take the corner and fold it to the crease we just made. We will fold along the center crease and we'll take the nose, fold like this. Open it. Fold this triangle. And fold like this. Next, we will fold the wings along the line, along this line. And fold the other side. We will fold the wings about 1 centimeter here, and the other side. Okay, adjust the wings. Okay, the plane is ready. See you next time.